Hi, Gichu family. Welcome to All Trending Zanzi. But see, a few years back, Busiswa came back and showing us her new body that she has lost weight. Well, there was nothing wrong with Busiswa losing weight, but see, it was kind of cute and it showed that she had another goal that she wanted to accomplish within herself. Hayi ke uyazi eMzansi abakwazi bandla ukuvala umlomo. People were criticizing her, saying all sort of mean things, saying that this body does not suit her, but that they prefer the old Busi. So I mean, excuse me, Mzansi. Aye, some people can be so entitled to you. Recently, a video of Busiswa is circulating on the internet, and it looks like because she's gaining weight again. And let me tell you something: people are celebrating, and they're very much happy. They're saying that their body, in quotation, is finally back. I mean, such entitlement. How can one think and decide that someone gaining weight works for them, and then when they are losing weight, it does not work for them? This is indeed confusing and interesting at the same time. This particular Mkosi goes again to Ugugu Gumede, who also came back and announced that Yena she is losing weight. People are constantly criticizing her and they're saying all sort of mean things to her, but she is standing still and she's maintaining the fact that Yena she just does not want to be a thick girly anymore. She prefers to be a slim girly. Hayi bandla kuningi. The fact that people are happy with the fact that Busiswa is gaining weight again. Basically, it looks like Mzansi, not all of them though, they bullied Ubusiswa into gaining weight again. This is indeed sad. Hopefully, she's gaining weight on her terms and not because her fans have been nagging her that the body that she fought for, she was not deserving of it, or rather, she was not suitable for it. Please do leave your comments down below, but because what do you think about this whole situation? Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.